Boar Park is one of the oldest maintained public parks in Moncton. The City of Moncton's purchase of the land from early settler Ezekiel Taylor in 1907 was contingent on the public raising a large portion of the necessary development funds through fundraising and cash donations. Christopher and John Harris, as well as gardener William McCullum, developed the park in 1908 and 1909 with contributions of labor and supplies by Fred S. Henderson and Captain C. W. Edgett. The location of Boar Park is significant. It is located on a previously established natural gathering place used to view the tidal boar phenomenon on the Petitcodiac River and to hold outdoor events. Located at a natural landing point at the bend in the river, this area saw 3 Acadian families arrive in circa 1733 as the first European settlers within Moncton's current city limits. The settlement hence became known as the Bend, Le Coude in French. Boar Park is the home of several monuments. Some of these include the First Settlers Monument, erected in 1986, which honors the site of the earliest Acadian settlers and their chapel on the grounds of Boar Park. A brass plaque on the flagpole was dedicated in 1908 to the memory of Ezekiel Taylor, who settled on the site in 1853. The Saxby Gale high water marker indicates the water level reached by a disastrous flood in 1869, as predicted by British Naval Lieutenant Stephen Martin Saxby. The Moncton 100 monument, designed and sculpted by Claude Roussel, was erected in 1990 in honor of Moncton's centennial. The National Day of Mourning monument, erected in 1995, honors workers who have suffered workplace injury, illness, and death. A memorial to fallen Moncton Police Force members, and the centennial of the Armenian Genocide.